different. Right now, I will teach you how to change the smart cylinder. Your locks, old locks, like this cylinder, normal cylinder. Then we can remove it from side. Then remove this one old. Then we can change the smart cylinder. Okay, then fix it from side. Okay, then you can here onward. Hello, dear friend. Right now, I will teach you how to add the user, this lock, smart cylinder. Then open the Tuya app, member management. You can add your home here, add me, then fingerprint, add. Then add fingerprint, add. Okay, here. Total six times. 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add. Then enter your name. Enter your name. Here, sky, done. Okay, add the passcode. 6 to 10 digit. Here I will set 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 3. 1, 4. Okay. Then name. Here I will set 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 3. So that we can remember it. Save. Here the code. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Unlock. Then finger unlock. And the Tuya app unlock.